What's up, my friends? So, I don't know if you watched the last couple of videos, but if you haven't, go check them out. But I did a party for 10, 12-year-olds, and I taught them all how to do pouring. Well, I had a ton of paint left over. So all of this paint, I was just exhausted. So all this paint has been left out for 2 days straight. And so, you know, I did my best to like rewater them, add some Floetrol, add some glue when they're too, Elmer's glue all when they're too runny, things like that. Well, the last two have turned out fantastic. And this one, we're going to mix it up a little bit. We're going to do a dirty slit cup. We haven't done a dirty slit cup in a long time. Anyway, it's really fun if you've never seen one. I'm one of 2 people I've ever seen do them, so although I did stop watching for a little bit, so many people probably could have done it, but anyway, we're gonna get to the thing. All right, here we go. Excellent. Yeah, yes. So I'm recording on my phone. Oh no! I'm wearing Batman jammies while I'm doing this. I almost showed you my Batman jammies. Alright guys, so what we do with the dirty slit cup is we fill it up and then slit the sides and then squeeze it so the plastic opens and closes just enough to shoot out just a little bit. It's really fun. So anyway, I'm going to use the rest of this paint. I don't even know if we'll use it all, but good job, Grace. But yeah, we're going to use the rest of it because I don't want to paint anymore tonight. That's not entirely true. I do, I just really don't. Okay. The rest of that vermilion. Some of this black. Oh yeah, that's the black. And you know the thing is, I've not finished any of the colors that we've had. What was I about to say before a heart jumped out of my chest? Oh, yeah. This is the same cup we've done the last 2 dirty swirls, the swirly thing, the tree ring pour. And so it still has parts of that. I just never finished pouring the rest out. So we've just kind of been adding on top of it and adding on top of it. And it's fine. It's fine. No, it's fine. It's fine. And I'm going to do a little bit of white. Because I've got it. And it's going to go to waste if I don't use it tonight. Okay. Oh. What a weenie. See, I've been out just long enough to... Okay, dirty slit cup. I don't know what happened to my little bitty things. We're using my trusty Gerber, and I'm getting paint on it for the first time ever. This went with me to Iraq the first time I had it, and so it's lasted me a long time. Anyway, good stuff. So, let's try... Oh no! You know what? This is going to be a dirty something or another, but I don't know if I'm going to have enough paint to be a dirty slit cup. Okay. So check this out. We're going to get it over here in this corner. Might as well push that off the edge. Okay. You know what? I've lost so much paint from spilling it that it's just gone all over the place. You know what? Fine. I'm not sure how this one's going to turn out. It's going to be what it is. So no silicone. Never silicone for me. I just don't like it, so I don't use it. Well, no, I don't like having to scrub off my paintings later, afterwards. You know what? Mega spatula. I'm going to recapture some of this. Okay, I'm going to recapture some of that. I showed this to the kids and they're like, whoa! And I'm like, totally magic, huh? It was kind of funny. You know, you kind of feel like a stud sometimes when you're teaching youngins. Like, I'm doing nothing special. But it's literally the first time they've ever seen some of those things. So it is kind of cool. Okay. Gee, these snuff. I like this red. I'm going to try to keep as much of it as possible. It's not red, it's vermilion. What am I talking about? Jeez. No, I'm about to lose it all. I don't want to lose it. No, go over there. Over. You're not listening. You're embarrassing me in front of all the YouTubes. Okay. Actually, a little bit more. Well, there's some of that green yellow that I wanted. First time seeing that in one of these today. So it's really actually kind of beachy looking, isn't it? You know, it's some like a sandbar and then like the actual beach. Little fiery swirl of death over there, amongst other things. Yeah, I don't know. Pop any bubbles that may be forming. And last but not least, I want to try something that might be cool. Where is it? It's over here, guys. Hold on. All right. This is rubbing alcohol. 91%. Oh, smells so bad. So I'm going to bomb this stuff in, drop it from a high distance, and kind of throw it into the painting to make divots. Wish I had more control over it. I kind of would have thrown more over here and less here. That'll be fine though. Actually, I'll do one more go at it. Yeah, so it's started to create some of these like that there. I don't know, it just gives it more energy. You know, if you don't have any cells, actually let me get you down because these aren't the biggest cells. They're kind of more subtle, and we had cells before, but I mean, it's fun, so why not try it every now and again? Okay, so what I'm talking about is these guys here. These are all where the rubbing alcohol hit it. Like these guys through here. Ooh, my finger's so close. And where's the other ones? Oh, right through here. So these are all the ones. And so if you don't have anything good with cells, but you do have a few layers that are working on top of each other, you can bomb some rubbing alcohol or even water. I've seen water work. Probably less damaging to the binders of your paint. So that could be. It's kind of weird up here. It's okay. It's actually more red than it is in, on the camera than it is in real life, but whatevs. All right. My friends, thanks for watching, guys. This is my third video in one night. I haven't done that forever, so it feels kind of good to to just kind of get in here and paint and make a mess and just do whatever. It's pretty rad. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Would you mind giving me a thumbs up? And, you know, whatever. If you feel so inclined to share, that would be wonderful. If not, that's fine too. All right, guys. Thanks so much. Bye. We dumped off a lot of paint. That was a lot of paint. I think we did good though. I like the focal point now. Okay, bye-bye.